In this video, I'll be reviewing this USB hub here for the iPad Air 5th generation. This is something I got on Amazon for I think about $19 US. I have a link in the description if you want to get one. And since I got it, I'm quite pleased with its performance. So I'll just give my impression and show you how it works. It's up to you if you want to get one, but I think for this money, it really adds many features to the iPad Air. So first of all, it's a USB Type-C connector, obviously, since the iPad Air 5th generation has this kind of port. On this side, you have a SD card reader. So if you have a camera that uses SD cards like this one, you'll be able to plug it right into the adapter. There's a micro SD card reader right under it, and by the way, you can't use those at the same time. So if you have a SD card and micro SD card, you can't use them at the same time. It's one at a time only. Here you have a USB port 3.0, which is quite fast. So if you have a flash drive like this one, you can plug it in. And there's another USB here, but this one is a 2.0, just a bit slower. You can have another flash drive plugged right there at the same time. Here on this extremity, you'll see there is an HDMI port. This is quite useful. So if you want to mirror what's happening on your iPad Air onto your TV, let's say, or a computer monitor, you just need a regular HDMI cable, plug it here, and you'll be able to cast whatever happening on your screen of your iPad. On this side, there is absolutely nothing and there is no other ports. What I like about this is that it's very portable. It doesn't weigh much. And as you can see, it's about the size of the palm of my hand. I have quite average hands, by the way. And to use it, all you have to do is to plug it on the side of your iPad, like so. And let's say I want to plug a USB flash drive. I will also add this SD card. And let me add this very tiny USB flash drive. Okay, so I have all of them connected at the same time. Let's put this aside. By the way, there is a small LED here, just showing that it's working. And now you can go into your files, this icon here on your iPad. And on the left side over here, you should see everything that is connected. So I have King's 16 gigs, which is my first flash drive. Then I have mini USB key. This is the small here. And I have Lumix, which is the SD card right over there. And you can select and see what's on them. I'm really pleased with this small USB hub. I think it's very cheap. Maybe one thing that is missing here, but there's other models that have it for more money, obviously, is maybe a power port. So you can connect, so you can charge your iPad Air at the same time as you're using this, because obviously if you connect this hub, you won't be able to charge your iPad at the same time. I think this is the only thing missing, but as I said, I'll put a link in the description with other models that have this feature. Once you're done, you just need to disconnect it. And voila, you can throw this in your bag. And as I said before, it doesn't weigh much. So thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you have found this useful. A like too can help me, and I'll see you in the next one.